If you are still using Microsoft Office 2019, then this video going to be very important for you because after July 13, 2026, your office may still open but may stop doing the most important thing, which is editing and saving your document. Yes, you heard me right. If you are using Office 2019 in your macOS, then you may not able to edit your document beyond July 2026. And it became even more worrisome. Let's say you used Office for work, school, invoices to create report or client documents. This is not something one should ignore. Now, first of all, let me make one thing very clear. Your documents are not going to disappear from your Mac. This is not like someone is coming and taking your documents. That's not going to happen. The issue is not with your file, but the software itself. Microsoft says some Office apps on Mac can enter something called a reduced functionality mode. And that reduced functionality mode basically means you can open, view and print file, but you cannot edit, save or create new. So technically the app is still there, but practically for most of people it became useless. So if you are using Office 2019, then this is the time where you need to think like other platform. Maybe you can utilize Office Online, that is also completely free, which you can access very easily by open your browser and then type simply office.com and sign in, and then that's how still you will be able to create a new document. And the good thing is, if you are coming from Office 2019, you're gonna see ton of improvement in terms of functionality inside this version. But the downfall of this version is you are accessing it on web. Now let's talk about what are other alternative we have. So you can utilize Apple products. For example, we can go with Pages that also let you open your Microsoft Word document. If you want to open your Word document, you will see that it can also open Microsoft Word document. For example, this docx file. And of course, you can edit it as well. Or if you want to still stick to Microsoft Office product, then we have got latest offering from Microsoft, which is Office 2024. And then there is a subscription based version for whom you need to pay every year, but comes with latest and greatest feature known as Office 365. Now, if you talk about what you can do such that you may still able to utilize Microsoft Office 2019, probably if you can stop updating it further, but I am also assuming that this particular thing may also not be working fine. So if you want a free alternative, then you can of course use office.com or maybe Pages that comes from Apple itself. Or if you want the paid one, then you can upgrade your Office variant to Office 365 or Office 2024. And if you are still very confused that you do not know which version of Office I do have, then you can actually open your any of Office application. For example, let me quickly open Word. Now, if I go here on the top and look for about Microsoft Word, here I can see the license information of my product. So if it says Microsoft Office 2019, then this is the time when you require to take this seriously and require to upgrade. Now let's talk about other platform users, for example, Windows or Android. Well, they are not getting affected this way. Microsoft says this certificate expiration applies only to Office and Microsoft Office 365 app that is installed in macOS or iOS. So if you are using Office 2019 on Windows, this particular July 13 Mac issue is not the same problem. But unfortunately for Mac users, this is the time to say goodbye for Office 2019. And let me repeat it again, your files are safe, but your ability to edit and save files can get affected. Hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to The Mac Essential, where we cover several Mac productivity related topics. And let's catch each other in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.